Hello guys, this is Uno Mas signing in YouTube, and I want to teach you another tutorial. And the title of my tutorial is this: Uno Mas tutorial Yahoo Tools, how to have advanced Yahoo ID locker tools, why Alpha and Bad Voice Clan. So this is a advanced Yahoo ID locker, a September 2021 to 2012 updated Yahoo ID locker. So I want to show you. Okay, okay, let's do it again. And there it goes. As you can see, it opens now. You can put in a lot of IDs to lock. Just click in load here and choose particular you put the IDs in the notepad and choose the particular files where you have stored the IDs you have to lock, and you can put in a single lock ID. For example, I will put in an ID. uh, what do I put in? Oh, I don't have anything in my mind. Okay, let's oh, caps lock. Next, there, and a single lock, and you must click in a single lock, and locking status locking, it will move in how many percent in here. So this must be when this thing goes up in 100%, that means that the ID is locked already. So this is Unumas signing in, and I just want to show you advanced locking system, Yahoo ID locking system. Okay, this is a advanced locking system, a HTTP locking, ban locking, whatever locking you have in mind, this thing can do it. So this is Hunuman signing out in YouTube, and bye guys.